Eczema, symptoms, causes, and treatment. Eczema, a chronic skin condition affecting millions worldwide, manifests in various forms, is presenting unique challenges to those affected. From infants to adults, its impact extends beyond physical discomfort, often influencing emotional well being and daily life routines. Now, in this comprehensive video, I'm going to talk about the intricacies of eczema, that is, the symptoms, the underlying causes, and the diverse treatment options available. Let's talk about first what are the symptoms of eczema. Eczema symptoms typically include itching. Persistent itching, often intense, is a hallmark of eczema. Now, it can disrupt sleep patterns and daily activities. Dryness. Skin affected by eczema tends to be excessively dry, making it prone to flaking and cracking. Inflammation. Redness and swelling characterize the inflamed eczemaceous patches which can appear anywhere on the body. Rashes also. Eczema rashes vary from small raised bumps to larger, scaly patches. Now, these can be mild or severe depending on the individual and the environmental triggers. Let's talk about what are the causes of eczema. The exact cause of eczema remains elusive, but several factors contribute to the development. Genetics. Family history plays a significant role with certain genes predisposing individuals to eczema. Number two, immune system dysfunction. Abnormal immune responses contribute to inflammation and skin barrier dysfunction. Environmental triggers. Allergens like pollen, sweat, dander, and certain foods can exacerbate the eczema symptoms. Skin barrier dysfunction or defects in the skin barrier allow moisture to escape and irritants to enter, worsening the eczema. Let's just talk about what are the types of eczema. There is atopic dermatitis, common in children. Atopic dermatitis involves dry, itchy skin and often occurs alongside asthma and allergies. Contact dermatitis, triggered by contact with irritants or allergens causing redness, itching, and sometimes blisters. Nemular eczema, circular patches of irritated skin, often related to dryness and occurring more commonly in older adults. Seborrheic dermatitis, now affecting areas rich in oil glands such as scalp and face, characterized by redness, scaling, and stubborn dandruff. Let us talk about the treatment options available for eczema. Effective management of eczema involves a multifaceted approach that is tailored to each individual's need. For that, you need moisturizers. Regular application of emollients help maintain your skin hydration and integrity. Number two, topical steroids, anti-inflammatory creams or ointments reduce itching and inflammation during flare-up. Number three is antihistamine. Oral medications alleviate itching, aiding better sleep, and daily comfort. Avoidance of triggers like identifying and minimizing exposure to allergens and irritants crucially reduce eczema exacerbations. Phototherapy. Control exposure to UV light under medical supervision of that can improve symptoms in some individuals. Biological medication, or in severe cases, injectable medications targeting specific immune pathways may be prescribed. Let us talk about the lifestyle and some home remedies emote. You have to go with some gentle skincare that is use mild fragrance, free soap and detergents to avoid skin irritation. Number two, temperature and moisture control. Maintain a comfortable environment with cool temperature and adequate humidity. Stress management. Stress exacerbate eczema. So try to practice relaxation techniques which can help to manage your symptoms. Dietary considerations. Some individuals benefit from identifying and avoiding food triggers that worsen the eczema. So eczema, though it is challenging, but it can be effectively managed by anybody through a combination of medical treatments, lifestyle adjustment, and personalized care. So, with understanding the symptoms, the triggers, and the treatment options, empowers the individuals and caregivers to navigate the eczema complexities with confidence. So, by adapting a holistic approach to eczema management, individuals can achieve the improved skin care, that is, a skin health and overall well being in the future. And if you like this video and if you like the content of the video related to fitness and health content, do subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with the next video related to other such topic which might be really very helpful for you. So do subscribe to my channel and do like to this video as well. Thanks for watching.